Hello, my name is Mahima. Today I'll talk about how we can extract Facebook ads data into Google Sheet. So to do that, first you need to install Super Matrices in your Google Sheet. Okay. So to install the Super Matrices, first you need to click on Ads On, then get Ads On. Type here Super Matrices. Okay. This one, click on this one. As you can see, Super Matrices is already installed in my Google Sheet, so I am not going to install it. But if you do not have Super Matrices installed, you can install in this way. Okay. So I am closing this window. So before extracting the Facebook ads data into Google Sheet, there are some points which we need to keep in our mind. Okay. So as you can see, this is a picture. If we extract Facebook ads data into Google Sheet, this is how our data will look like. But first, I want to let you know that I am not running any Facebook ads on my page. Okay. So at the end, it will show 0 result found. Okay. But today I will show you the procedure how you can extract Facebook ads data into Google Sheet. Okay. So this is the picture you can see. If you extract Facebook ads data, this is how your data will look like. Okay. So there are some points which you need to keep in your mind. Okay. So the first point is, in this picture you can see it contains one dimension as name, which represent the campaign name. This one. Okay. Data contain 5 matrices. First is name, second is amount spent, third one is clicks all, fourth one is landing page view, then reach and frequency. Okay. So the click all matrices here is sorted in descending order, and all the data table have 5 rows of data. Okay. So now let's start. Okay. So first you need to click on the cell where you want to extract Facebook ad data to be appear. Okay. So here I am selecting this cell. Okay. Now I'll click on Ads On, then Super Matrices, then Launch Sidebar. Okay. Now this Super Matrices dialog box will appear. Okay. So this is the list which I am going to select. Okay. So my data source is Facebook ads, this one. Okay. I am selecting this one. As you can see, new tab has been opened and now it is asking me for Facebook account. I already logged in my Facebook account. Okay. So I am continue with Facebook. Okay. Click on continue as Mahima. This is 2 pages which I am working. Okay. This one is eGyan. Okay. This is my Facebook page. So I am going to select this one. Then I click on next. Allow Super Matrices to access your FB ads and related stats. So I had given all the permissions. Now I am clicking on done. Then I will click on OK button. As you can see, now you came back to your Google Sheet. Okay. Now click on select account. This one. Then click on FB ads account from which you want to extract data. Okay. So I want to extract data from my account. So I am choosing this one, account. Okay. If you don't see your FB ads account, then click on refresh account list. Okay. If that doesn't work, then it means you don't have access to FB account. Now click on select date. From here you choose date range for your data. Okay. So I am choosing my date range. So I am choosing from January 2022 to 5th November. Okay. The date range update automatically when you refresh the query. Okay. Now click on matrices and add matrices. Okay. So I am choosing name. Clicks, then landing, Okay, then reach, then frequency. Okay, now click on split by dimension. Okay, so here I am adding by dimension campaign name. Okay, I am giving this particular dimension because I want to replicate FB Ads report which contain the name dimension, as I told you in the start of my video. Okay, so the number of rows to fetch I am giving 5. Okay, so sort rows. So here I want to sort click all rows. Okay, so I want to sort it in descending order. Okay, now click on option, and then set the conversation window to 1D click. Okay, there is one thing which you need to keep in your mind. It's very important that you select the correct conversation window, otherwise your data in FB Ads may not match. Okay, now select these checkbox format result for Google Data Studio. Now click on get data. Now click on get data to table. As you can see, the query is running. As you can see, it is showing me the error that query failed. Your query returned no data. As I told you in the start of my video that there is no Facebook ads running on my page. Okay, this is why it is giving me this error. But this is the procedure, and following this you can extract your Facebook ads data into Google Sheet. So do try this method, and if you face any kind of problem, you can mention it in comment box. Okay, if you like my video, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my all videos. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.